Hey, you looking for a fantastic dessert or just an awesome snack? Man, try grilled peaches. First thing, we're gonna preheat our grill to 350 degrees. I'm actually gonna start the grilling process on the bottom. All right, while those are grilling for just a second, let's talk about what we're gonna put in those peaches. And I'm gonna throw 2 parts mascarpone to 1 part almond paste. Almond paste you can just pick up at the baker section of your grocery store. All right, that should be pretty close. We'll give that a mix. All right, we've got that all incorporated. Let's check to see how our peaches are doing. All right, jumped the gun a little bit on the peaches. We're gonna want to let those go for a little bit longer. I'm gonna speed up the process, get a little more caramelization by pulling the sliding grill. That should caramelize those up really nice. All right, let's check out and see how these peaches are doing. Oh yeah, great color. A little caramelization in there for flavor. All right, for the toppings, we're gonna do the mascarpone with the almond paste. We're just gonna put a little dollop in each one of the pit holes. All right, after we do that, let's go ahead and take a brown sugar crumble. This is just a mixture of flour, butter, and brown sugar. We'll spread that on the top. All right, now we wanna go back into the grill and get this all heated back up, caramelize that top, and we're ready to go. Wow, man, it looks beautiful. Everything's melted out nice. Caramelization on the top. Oh, look how juicy that is. I'm gonna just go ahead and top it with a little bit of really good granola. Now, if you want to, you can put a little dollop of whipping cream on there. But right now, we're just gonna dig in and try this out. Man, that's good. Give that a whirl. All right, guys, don't forget, your pellet grills are for a lot more than just meat. You can do your vegetables, you can do fruit, you can do your desserts, you can bake in them. There's nothing you really can't cook on those. If you like these kind of videos, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know what kind of video you'd like to see.